If you're wrapping up your module before the summer and thinking about how to make the most of your time between your final assessment and your next module, log on to our Moving On and Summer Study event on the morning of the 10th of June at the Student Hub Live, the OU's live online interactive platform. Anyone is welcome to log on at any point in the programme. At these events, you can watch the discussion in the studio, talk to others and share your own views. At this event, we'll cover preparing for Level 2 and 3, revisiting important material from your previous modules, and also developing your skill set using OpenLearn resources and lots more. If you have a question you'd like to ask in advance, just email us, and if you can't attend on the day, you can watch the catch-up afterwards. It's a great chance to meet other students and staff in a virtual space, and I hope you can join us then.